Hi there. I haven't seen you before. Are you new here?
Yes, I am. I just moved in yesterday.
Welcome to the building. My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Ben.
Where are you from, Ben?
I'm from Bristol. What about you?
I'm from this city. I've lived here for 5 years.
That's great. The area looks quiet and nice.
Yes, it is. Which floor do you live on?
I live on the third floor, apartment 3B.
Oh, I live on the second floor, just below you.
That's good. We're neighbors then.
Yes. So, what do you do for work?
I work as an office assistant.
Interesting. Where's your office?
It's near the city center. I go there by bus.
I
Do you understand my English, but you can't speak like me? Don't give up. Try this.
I am bad to speak English.
Do you mean I am bad at speaking English?
Yeah, I am bad at speaking English. How I learn?
Do you mean how can I learn?
Yes, how can I learn?
You have to practice every day.
But I don't have anyone to speak with.
That's okay. Let's practice every day and get better together.
see. I work as a school librarian.
That sounds nice. What time do you start work?
I start at 8:30 a.m. How about you?
I start at 10 a.m., so I wake up a bit late.
Lucky you. I wake up at 6 every day.
Wow, that's early. What do you do in the morning?
I go for a short walk and then have coffee.
That sounds relaxing. I usually check my phone first.
Many people do that.
Do you cook at home or eat outside?
I cook at home on weekdays.
I'm learning to cook. It's not easy for me.
Don't worry, practice helps a lot.
I hope so. Do you come home late?
Sometimes, but usually by 6:30 p.m.
I come home around 8 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or listen to music.
I like reading books after dinner.
That's nice. Maybe you can suggest a book someday.
Sure, I'd be happy to.
Is there a good grocery store nearby?
Yes, there's one across the street.
That's helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Just ask if you need help.
Thanks a lot. You're very kind.
It's nice to meet friendly neighbors.
Yes, it makes the place feel like home.
People here are helpful.
I already feel comfortable here.
If you're free this weekend, we can have tea.
I'd like that. What time?
Around 6 in the evening?
Perfect. See you then, Emma.
Waiting at a bus stop.
Excuse me, is this the bus stop for Route 12?
Yes, it is. I'm waiting for the same bus.
Great. Do you know what time it comes?
It usually comes around 8:15.
Oh, that's good. It's 8:05 now.
Yes, we still have some time.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. It stops near the main market.
Perfect. I need to go to the market today.
Are you going for shopping?
Yes, I need to buy some vegetables.
I see. I'm going to my office.
Do you take this bus every day?
Almost every weekday.
Is it usually crowded in the morning?
Yes, especially after 8:30.
Then I'm glad I came early.
That's a good idea.
How long does it take to reach the city center?
About 25 minutes, if there's no traffic.
That's not too bad.
No, it's quite comfortable.
Does the bus stop near the post office?
Yes, but you need to get off 2 stops earlier.
Thanks for telling me.
No problem. Is this your first time on this route?
Yes, I usually take a different bus.
Then keep an eye on the stops.
I will. Are the buses on time today?
They are usually late on Mondays.
Oh, today is Monday.
Yes, but it doesn't look too bad.
I can see a bus coming.
Yes, that might be ours.
It has the number 12 on it.
That's the one we need.
Great, we don't have to wait long.
Yes, we're lucky today.
Thank you for all the information.
You're welcome.